So right now you see I have this image open, and I can basically make a selection and it will show me the generative AI. However, if you have closed it, so for example, let's say that you have clicked on these three dots, and let's say that you clicked on hide bar. So even if you make a selection, if you have hidden the bar, it's not going to show it to you. So what you'll have to do in that case is you'll have to click on window, and then you'll have to basically click on contextual taskbar. So once you click it, it will come back. So now it's back. So once you make a selection, let me make a selection here for example. So you'll go to the selection tool, could be any selection, but I'm going to go to the marquee tool, which is a rectangular selection. So I'm going to make a basic selection here, and I'm going to say for example wall clock. Alright, I want to add a wall clock here. So I'm going to click on generate, and you'll have to wait for it to generate some clocks for you. So let's wait for it. So once it's done, you see that it will show you a clock here. If you like it, you can keep it. If you don't like it, you can click on this next. So if you want to click on it, it will change it to another one, and I'm gonna go with this one, with the second one. So I have my clock there. Let's say that you want to move it. So if you want to move it to the right side, you can go to the lasso tool and right to click on it and go to free transform. So from here, you see when I move it, the background, you see it has this background color added to it. So this is not what we want. We want to get rid of it. So to get rid of it, there is an easy way to do it. You're going to first click on done to keep it there, and you are going to click on the eraser tool. So if you right click on the eraser tool, you'll have to go to magic eraser tool. Alright, so go to magic eraser tool and make sure that you click on that erase. So make sure you click on erase. So once you do it, it will ask you, hey, this smart object must be rasterized. So you'll have to click on OK first, and then you will have to click on it, and you'll notice that we have removed the background from there, and there is some edge here, so I can click on that too, and you'll notice that we have a clock there. That's how you basically remove the background, and now you'll be able to move it anywhere you want. So you see we don't have that background, so I'm gonna place that there. Alright, so now let's add one more thing. So let me make a selection here. So you will make the selection, and then we will use the generative fill again. So we are going to click on generative fill, and we are going to say for example Mr. Bean. So let's see what it's going to do. Mr. Bean smiling. We'll see what it's going to generate for us. You can use any language. It's not only English. For example, even if it's Arabic, Hebrew, or whatever, it should work. So this is what it has generated for us. So these generate. I didn't like the result, so let me change it. Let me change it to Charlie Chaplin. Let's see if it's going to generate something better, because it didn't generate what we want. So do another generation. Let's wait for it. So it might take, it's a little bit slow. So you'll see that we'll add something random. So I'm going to keep this one there. Alright, so I'll keep it there. And I'm not going to move it at all, because I wanted to keep it there. Now I'm going to make another selection here. So let me add another selection, and let's do one last thing. So I'm going to say window. Alright, so I want a window, and I want to have some nature. So I'm going to say opening windows with a view of mountains, or of a village, So I can click on generate. So it has added that there. Let's go to the next one. So it has added a clock. So that's not what I want. Maybe I want to say a door. Let's add a door instead of a window. I said a windows, so that's why. So a door with a view of a village. So I can say a jar. So a jar door with a view of village. So let's see if it's going to a jar door with a village. So let's see. It has added a clock. I don't know why. So I can go with this one. Maybe I like this one. I can click on check. I'll keep that there. Now let's add something else. Maybe let's add a door. Basically, let's add a basic door. So let's select this object. I don't know if it's going to do what it's going to do with the object, but it's okay. I'm going to add a door. So I'm going to type in a door. So let's click on generate, making a surreal image with the Photoshop AI. This is something that I liked. I mean, if you know how to use it, it's really awesome. So what is this? This is not what I want. You see, I have selected the object. That's why it has added that guy. But it has changed. It has added some flowers there. And let me select the background. Let me select the whole background. And let me change it to, let's say that I want to change, so coat the wall with a purple color. Let's see if it's going to add coat to the wall. So let's see if it's going to do its best. Oops, you see it went crazy. So I was expecting this. Let's go to the next one, but you see it's adding a coat to it. So this is not what I wanted. I wanted to change the background. So let me undo it. So that's not what I want. I think this is it for this video. I mean, this is how you basically use the generative AI. You have to type something in here, and you click on generate to generate objects.